us have done it at least once before. You check out a book at the library and then you forget to turn it back in. So this month, you're getting a bit of a break on those late fees at the Enoch Pratt Free Libraries. All you have to do is pay it forward. ABC 2's Megan Knight has more on food for fines.
The holidays are when the Maryland Food Bank typically sees a flood of donations, but once the new year starts, those donations start to drop off.
Right now is a time when we really need to replenish our stock, especially after so many food pantries and homeless shelters and soup kitchens who rely on us, came in during December, and now we're looking for more donations.
About 757,000 Marylanders, or 1 in every 8 person in our state, are considered food insecure, meaning they don't know when their next meal is coming. It also means the food bank can't afford to have bare shelves.
We try to keep them stocked all year round, especially during the winter months when it's, particularly hard time for clients' need.
So the Enoch Pratt Free Library is lending a hand, helping to fill the shelves and also helping their patrons who don't always remember to return their books.
The idea is to try to get people back into the library. So many people have so many fines, and it's our way to give them some amnesty to start off the year right. And the best way to do it is help yourself and help the neighbors.
Food for Fines is pretty simple. Donate 1 can of food, you can get $1 off your late fine. Donate 5 cans, you get $5 off.
And if you don't have any fines, you can still donate canned goods to the library.
What better way to start the new year than with a good deed and no fines? In Baltimore, Megan Knight, ABC 2 News.